An albatross can fly hundreds of kilometres across the ocean without flapping its wings. Its great wingspan helps it conserve energy and fly further. For the aviation industry, the question is, how can we imitate this? Because, like birds, longer wings for aircraft mean better aerodynamic performance. Making our wings longer, leaner and lighter helps our aircraft rely more on flight physics and less on fuel, reducing fuel burn and carbon emissions. At Airbus, we're investigating how we can design and build these longer, better performing wings, made from materials that are lighter and stronger. But these longer wings won't fit into most traditional airports. So, we've developed a wing that folds and locks when the aircraft is taxiing and unfolds and locks before takeoff. It's a design being developed as part of our Wing of Tomorrow programme. We're also developing sensors that can help anticipate gusts of wind and adapt to the conditions. Lots of this work is being led by Airbus in the UK, building on the years of expertise that now mean half the world flies on wings designed and made in Britain. But we can't do this in isolation. We're also working with industry and academia across the world. By working together, we are ensuring our wings keep aircraft soaring for generations to come, with a little inspiration from the albatross, of course.